Hello everyone and welcome to Introduction to Internet Marketing Part 1. My name is Ivan Shurjanovic, and I'm with iPower Lab helping you gain some new skills in e-marketing. Well, today is the big day. It's the day one of your internet training, and we are starting with presenting some internet trends and opportunities. I'm trying to help you understand the size of the huge internet marketing opportunities that are all around you. You might want to start your own business, online business, or you might want to work independently as internet marketing consultant, or you might want to work for someone else as internet marketing coordinator or even internet marketing director. But the first step is really to understand where is the internet going. What are the internet trends? And this actually reminds me of one of my most favorite statement or quotation about the world of business. Actually, it comes from the world of sport, and it's from Wayne Gretzky. You all know about Wayne Gretzky, one of the biggest and greatest hockey player of all times. And many people asked Wayne, so tell me, what is your secret? What made you stand out from many other hockey players? Tell me your secret. Wayne said that a good hockey player plays where the puck is, and a great hockey player plays where the puck is going to be. So let me stress this, where the puck is going to be. It's all about the future. So we need to understand where is the future and what is the future. And we just need to be there. We don't have to be the smartest or the most intelligent or the most capable person in the world. We have to be disciplined enough. We have to work hard. But we have to know where the puck is going to be in the future. And let us review a couple of other statements and quotations, which I hope will help you understand where the internet is going. Andy Grove from Intel. You all have heard about Intel. A long time ago, he said that all businesses will eventually become internet businesses. So it will all merge into one business, and every single business will become internet business. How much of US retail sales will involve the web by 2017? What do you think? 10%, 20%, or maybe even 60%? So 60% of all retail sales, and I mean purchases, will involve the web. Maybe only 5 or to 10% will be actually traded online. But as much as 60% are involving the web in some way, maybe through research, if not through transaction. And do you know which media is being most important in terms of how much time people spend on those media? Well, digital media is 44%, TV 38%, and radio 12%, and print 5%, around 5%. That means that 40% of time is spent on digital media compared to TV. So it's more than TV, even though I have to say that TV is still a media that is actually absorbing most money. About 40% of overall advertising budget are still spent on the internet, on TV. So TV is still the biggest media in terms of spending. Yet we now see that the digital media is actually becoming much more important in terms of time spent. Yet at the same time, we can see that only 33% of the world's population has internet access, 1 out of 3. So we can clearly see there is huge room for improvement, and the dramatic growth of internet is continuing. And we see more and more opportunities. So how many opportunities can we see? Well, how many dots do you see here? Hundreds, 200, 10,000? Well, actually there are 20,000 dots on this chart. Can you imagine for a moment 50 times bigger chart than this one? 50 times. And if the global e-commerce sales is now more than 1 trillion, 1.3 trillion, then each single dot represents more than $1 million in online business. So the point of this exercise is to visually present a huge number of business opportunities on the web. So one more time, there are 20,000 dots on this particular chart. And if you can imagine 50 of these charts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and even more, another 40. How many dots do we have here? It's 1 million dots. And every single dot, imagine this very first dot in the upper, at the top of the screen. That represents $1 million of business that's being traded on the internet. So you see how many dots we have here, how many opportunities. And with that being said, I'd like to thank you for listening, and I'd like you to ask you to think about the size of the opportunity, think about the trends, and think about where the internet and where the business is going. And leverage those trends. Have internet work for you. Take advantage of those opportunities. Keep learning, stay on top of trends. And I'm going to connect with you in Introduction to Internet Marketing Part 2, where we are going to talk more about most important internet concepts. Thank you for listening.